fall down on us.
Yeah, that would be
We would
scary.
die if it fell down on us.
True. Or we just like pass out or something like that.
No, we would catch on fire and die.
Oh, we put cover with that, didn't we?
We don't want that, don't we?
You want to like and wow until you get too.
You're as cute as a puppy.
Where did you guys get this?
This was a gift from Mama Lois in
Hey,
Missouri.
Irisville, when you got this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we need to push it off.
Oh, not the tree, not the tree.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the rock hit me!
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, that's a little dangerous.
I know, I thought it would just go straight up and come back down. Oh dear.
We just put fire in this.
We just put fire up in the sky. Oh no. Wow, that's really cool though. I mean, it's way up there. Look how far it went. Oh, maybe it'll go out up there. It's gonna fall down in somebody's yard. They're gonna be like, what on earth?
It's gonna fall on the roof.
It is.
That is so cool.
Oh my goodness.
Should I go over the airport?
They'll shoot it down.
There'll be we should have gotten you. Oh my goodness, you.
Falling.
What is it?
It was
a lantern.
Lisa gonna go. It's a lantern we let go.